Two people, same salary, same job. At 40, one has $180,000 in investments, and the other has $61,000. The only difference between them is a single decade. So here's the question that should keep you up tonight. What is the exact dollar cost of waiting? Most people in their 20s think investing is something you do later, after you pay off debt, after you get a raise, after life settles down. But here's the brutal truth. Later is the single most expensive word in personal finance. Think of compound interest like a snowball rolling down a hill. The earlier it starts rolling, the bigger it gets by the time it reaches the bottom. Start it halfway down the hill, and it arrives smaller, not because it rolled slower, but because it had less time to grow. Meet Alex. Alex is 20 years old, living in the US, earning an entry-level salary. Alex decides to invest $200 a month into a simple index fund, something that tracks the S&P 500, which has historically averaged around 10% annual returns. Alex does this every single month, from age 20 to age 30, then stops completely. Never invests another dollar after that. Now meet Jordan. Jordan is also 20 years old. Same salary, same city. But Jordan waits, spends the 20s enjoying life, paying rent, living paycheck to paycheck. At 30, Jordan finally starts investing, also $200 a month, into the same index fund at the same 10% average return. Jordan keeps going all the way to age 40. 10 full years of contributions. Never misses a month. So let's count. Alex invested for 10 years, from age 20 to 30. Total money put in, $24,000, then stopped. Jordan invested for 10 years too, from age 30 to 40. Total money put in, $24,000. Exact same amount of cash out of pocket. Same income, same fund, same return. But by age 40, the results look nothing alike, and the reason comes down to one thing. By age 40, Alex has approximately $180,000. Jordan has approximately $61,000. Alex has nearly 3 times more money, despite not investing a single dollar after age 30. Jordan contributed every month for a decade and still ended up with less than a third of Alex's balance. That gap is not about discipline. It is not about income. It is entirely about time. Here is the part that should stop you cold. Alex's $24,000 of actual contributions grew into $180,000. That means $156,000 of Alex's balance, more than 6 times the original investment, was created by compound interest alone, not by working harder, not by earning more, just by starting early and letting time do the heavy lifting. Einstein may or may not have called compound interest the 8th wonder of the world, but whoever said it first was right. So here is what the numbers are really telling you. Every year you wait to start investing costs you more than the year before, because you are not just losing 1 year of returns, you are losing 1 year of compounding on every future year of returns. The cost of waiting is not linear, it is exponential, and it starts the moment you decide to wait. Jordan did everything right after 30. Disciplined, consistent, never missed a payment, and still ended up with $119,000 less than Alex by age 40. That $119,000 gap is not bad luck. It is the mathematical price of 1 decade of delay, and it connects directly back to the opening question. The cost of waiting is not abstract. It has an exact dollar figure, and in this case, it is $119,000. Now zoom out. This is not just about retirement. The same principle applies to any decision where time is the fuel. Starting a business, learning a skill, building health. The earlier the snowball starts rolling, the less effort it takes to get somewhere extraordinary. The most expensive thing you will ever buy is not a house or a car. It is a decade of hesitation. 2 people, same money, same discipline, and a $119,000 gap at 40, all because of when the clock started. So the only question left is simple. What is the cost of starting tomorrow instead of today? And if you want to know exactly where to put that first $200, that answer is coming next.